Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will show you another EA builder that you can use to basically come up with forex robots. I'm saying here come up with forex robots. You'll see what I mean as we go with the video. Like I always do on this channel exists to show you that if you have a good trading strategy, you don't need any coding, any programming skills in order to turn that strategy into a forex robot that you can basically use to trade for yourself while you sip pina coladas at the beach, or you can sell it to other people. Let's face it, people are selling their forex robots left, right and center, whether they work or they don't, but this is how they are creating those forex robots. So if you have a good strategy that you want to automate and turn it into an expert advisor, forex robot, automated trading system, whatever people call them, this is how you do it. See all the videos on this channel. I basically give you all the EA builders that you can use to turn your strategy into a forex robot without learning to code, and most of the time you can do that for free. You don't need to pay anybody. You don't need to pay anybody a cent in order to turn your forex strategy into a forex robot. So today we have ROBO ADVISOR 007. I don't know why it's called 007. Maybe they started with 001 and it failed, 002 failed, 003 failed, up to 006 maybe it's failed, maybe 007 is the one that worked, I don't know, or maybe it's James Bond's platform, 007, who knows. Is it James Bond's platform? I don't know. ROBO ADVISOR 007, let's go into it. So one of the annoyances that I have with this platform is it seems it doesn't work on this section, it doesn't work on that section, or it works on this section, and on this section this is actually where we were going to be building our robots. But before we get into that, we can check out there, it seems like it doesn't work. We check it out there, it seems like it doesn't work. I don't know. If you go to help, actually it does work, which is a good thing, and it says ROBO ADVISOR 007 is the only online generator for trading strategies. I think this is a bold statement, because I already showed you several EA builders that are available online on this channel. So for them to claim that is the only, I don't know what they mean here. But in any case, here you can actually see, you can get all the help, basically like a manual that you can use in order to make your own forex robots with this platform. And they do also have a YouTube channel that you can basically use to turn your strategies into forex robots. So check them out. About nothing works. So if you're the guys who are behind this platform and you're watching my videos, guys, what's up with these tabs that do not work? What's happening with this thing? Let's go back to the strategy section, which is what we are here for. So basically you can start here to create your robot. This is where you be working to create your robot. Basically here it's going to be showing you what the robot is probably going to look like on your chart, or basically the conditions that you have on the chart. And here it actually going to show you the balance chart, and here it's going to show you a back test output. One of the advantages of this particular platform is that you can actually see the back test results of whatever you think you are creating right here, and you can decide there and there whether it's going to work or it's not, whether this backtest and the results are correct or they are wrong. I don't know, it's another thing, it's another argument for another day. But in any case, let's go ahead and do this. So first of all, we are going to set our properties. Maybe let's set 0.01 as a start. I don't know what the minimum you want to use, 0.01 or 0.1. Then we are going to go trade direction. We are going to choose long and short, and there's a long only, there's no short only. I don't know what's happening with these guys. Where's the short only? Maybe we're going to get it in ROBO ADVISOR 008. 008. Let's hope 008 is coming. And then there is opposite trade entry signal. We are just going to ignore that. And stop loss, maybe we're just going to go with the textbook one. It's going to be 30. And take profit, maybe let's just go with a 1:3, which is going to be 90 pips. If I'm speaking too fast, I apologize. I'm trying to not make this video any longer than it should, but I hope you can follow what we are doing here. If you miss anything, please rewind the video and go over it again, and we're going to accept. Then we actually come to the part where we are going to actually do the creation of the robot. So we are just going to use the basic strategy that everybody knows in trading, which is moving average crosses. But basically there are several conditions that you can actually play around with. Pin bar, you can actually use pin bar strategy. Base power, candle color, you can actually use candle colors for your robots. Yeah, anyway, let's go to moving average crossovers, which is the basic strategy. Already you can see by these settings we are in a it will not work in the long run. Moving average crossovers in these settings will not work in the long run because net profit already is minus, you can see there. So anyway, we choose the moving average condition that we want, where we want to enter a buy when we cross over, or as long as the moving average is higher than this, the fast moving average is higher than the slow moving average. This is for a long enter the buy signal. So let's just use it for when we cross over. Then we are going to use, I love exponential. Let's use exponential. Oh, the moment you use exponential, some positivity. Did you see that? Some positive, from negative to positive. So exponential probably has some future. Let's go slow moving average. Let's go exponential again. Again, we're still positive, which is some hope. Drawdown, max drawdown 97 USD. You will play with some of that thing. I usually love to do let's say 5 versus 13. It comes out with a loss. 5 versus 13 is usually taught in the textbooks. It results in a loss from this back-tested output. Okay, in any case, let's use that for now. This is how it would look on a chart. So basically, this is how it would look on a chart. Stop loss was here, or was it TP that was here, and stop loss was there. That was for the sell. Let's maybe go back to the editor and maybe let's add in one thing that you also notice about this is the moment you put in the entry for the long entry conditions or the buy conditions, the sell conditions are automatically added in to match whatever you put here. So let's go to how do we exit the buy. Let's say when it crosses downward we want to get out, and we just go exponential, and we used 513. So we managed to arrest some of that loss, and this is how it's going to be looking on the chart. So this is how it's going to be looking on the chart. Okay, then if we go to editor, if you want to go to balance chart, you can just click on the chart and see. So this is the output. This is basically how it's going to be performing, but we can see that it's actually resulting in a loss. It's resulting in a loss, and you can see these back-tested results. So they back-tested from 2003 up to let's see, up to 2019. So it will be a loss. Let's see then if we add, let's say, a filter. Maybe let's go MACD filter. if we add MACD just as is, we again reduce the loss. Let's say we want MACD to cross over the zero line going upward, because this is for the long entry. Boom, slight profit. We are now in profit. So if we add a MACD when it crosses the zero line, we can see some profit there. Let's see if we say MACD changes direction to go upward. Some good profit there. If we say MACD line rises, loss. MACD line higher than a zero line, loss. So you need we need this or that. Maybe we use that, and we accept, and we go back to the results. So this is how it would look like. There is some crazy drawdown happening around this date. Crazy drawdown. But in any case, this is how you basically test your strategy here in real time. And if you go back to the editor there, you can basically actually also change the currencies there. So is slightly profitable on GBP USD. This strategy is slightly profitable on GBP USD as well. Let's try AUD USD. It will be less profitable on AUD USD. On USD JPY, wow, you would have made a lot of money on USD JPY if you're going to be trading with this strategy. With this strategy, you're going to be making a lot of money on USD JPY. Let's just click on there. You can see the graph. It took some loss there, but eventually it started just going up and up. And again, this is between 2003 and 2019. And let's go back here. If we change time frame, you took a loss on the 15-minute time frame. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, still okay. If we're going to use the 1 hour, if we use the 30-minute, took a loss. So but anyway, you get the idea. That's one thing about this platform. So you can basically just test your own strategies that you have in mind here. Now it comes back to what I said. There's an annoyance with this thing. If we go back here now, if you want to export your robot, where is it? Where is the thing? There was where it said here, if you want to export your robot, you need to log in. Let's go back to Euro USD. Now it's gone, but there was a thing here that was saying if you want to export your robot, you need to be logged in, because right now seems you can't do anything. You can't download anything. I don't know. That's another annoyance with this platform. So if we go back here and we want to log in, you need to start a trial, or you need to be a subscribed user. If we go to purchase a license, you notice that nothing seems to happen. And you go to start a trial, nothing seems to happen. So that's the annoyance with this particular platform. I think this was a good project that they had, but at some point they abandoned it. I don't know what happened with these people. But if you, in any case, In any case, if you want to test your strategies with data between 2003 and 2019, that's what we get here. Probably that's when they abandoned this project, around was it July or May? I think May 2019. That's probably when they abandoned this project. I don't know. That's when they abandoned this project. But if you want to get an idea of how your strategy would work in the long run, this is probably a tool that you can probably just use. And if you get a good strategy here, back tested with results from way back in 2003, just like that, then you can basically take all these conditions that you would have discovered here and go on to FX Dreamer or the other EA builders that I've shown you on this channel, and you can basically create your own forex robot. So yeah, a bit disappointed with these guys for abandoning this project, but it had some hope. That's what I think. So yeah, if you want to test out your strategies, backtest them in quickly and get results, basically use this platform. Otherwise guys, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Bye.